G'day, I'm a cabinet maker and I want to show you something. Well, maybe on welding, but what did I tell you about skills? They're transferable, right? I'm making the frame up for this cabinet. Check it out. So that's that. So this is a brown piece of furniture. People say brown furniture's dead. I say it's just hiding at a salvage yard or a second-hand market. At the end of the day, this is a stunning piece of furniture made in the 50s and 60s, and it deserves to live on. It was made at a time where they cared more about the quality of the work than they did about their bottom line, by people who consider themselves diligent craftspeople. It has all the design cues, it has good proportions, it has frame and panel construction, it's 100% solid timber. I couldn't buy this timber economically these days to make this piece of furniture, but here it sits, and it's going to go on for another 50 years with a base under it. It's more usable, practical, mobile. It's fantastic. So look for something old and give it another chance.